let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance tango choreography with teaching count. And slow, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And slow, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. And now let's look once again to same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with 2 tango walks, which we curve slightly to left. We continue with Fallaway, reverse and slip pivot. Then basic reverse turn in syncopated timing, open Telemark and Chasse with Chasse and Whisk and step tap ending. From here we dance open Promenade. Open means that last step is forward outside partner. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we take close hold and we will start diagonally to wall. We dance 2 walks and curve so that we can continue diagonally to center with Fallaway, reverse and slip pivot. Down line of dance we continue with basic reverse turn, same direction open Telemark, which we finish diagonally to wall, and dance Chasse, Chasse and Whisk we dance into corner, step tap and open Promenade we move diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.